So example 1, let's find the mean, median, and mode for the sample data values 3, 7, -1, 0, 3, -1, 5. Since this is a sample, the mean is x bar, not mu. And as always, we compute a mean or an average by adding up the numbers and dividing by the number of numbers. And since it's a sample, we're using lowercase n for the number of numbers. Let's see, how many numbers are there? There's 7. So we'd be dividing by 7. And to add those up, 3 plus 7 plus -1 plus 0 plus 3 plus -1 plus 5. What does that add up to? I am getting 16 for that. And using a calculator for that, we get approximately 2.29. So that's the average of those data values. So this is the mean. For the median, we have to have our data values arranged in numerical order from smallest to largest. So let's see, I have a -1, I have another -1, and I have a 0. Then we have 3, 3, 5, and 7. Which one is in the middle? It's this 3. So our median is 3. For the mode, there's 2 -1s, and there's also 2 3s. And those are the numbers that occur oftenest. So there's actually 2 modes in this data sample. Let's try another one. Let's find the mean, median, and mode for the population data values 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 8. So the mean, now this is a population, so we're going to use mu for the mean. We're going to add up the data values, and we're going to divide by the number of data values. I'm using a capital N because this is representing a population. There are 6 data values, so we'd be dividing by 6 and adding them up. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8. And according to my calculator, that's approximately 3.67. So that's the average data value. For the median, we already have our numbers in numerical order, but notice that because there's an even number of numbers here, there is not one in the middle. 2 and 3 are both in the middle. So in that case, the median will be the number that's halfway between those two. In other words, it's going to be the average of those two. So when you have 2 numbers in the middle, you add them up and divide by 2 to obtain the number that's halfway between them. Now in this case, we could tell pretty easily that that would be a 2.5, but if the numbers are weird, like they're decimals, sometimes it's hard to tell. So the trick to finding a number that's halfway between 2 other numbers is to understand that the number that's halfway between them is the average, and then you just compute the average of those. Last, the mode is clearly 2. On the next page, I have a couple of build your understanding problems for you to do. find mean, median, and mode for these two sets of data values. Please do that before you watch the next video, and I will go over them with you in the next video. See you then.